All right. Here we go for round 2. I'm getting 4 cups of this stuff. Whatever this stuff is called. All right. Gonna go fill it up with water. And I think I'm gonna do one more. Maybe 2 more. I just want to make sure I have enough to fill up the bag. Maybe like that much. Okay. Get a liter of water, which is 4.2 cups. And now it's time to just mix this thing up. And I don't really know what to use, so there's in my hand. So that's what I do. I just... Because you want to break down all of the little thingies. Those guys. You want to make sure those are all broken apart. And hot water makes it a lot easier to break down. Like that. So. This stuff does kind of smell, but it's nothing bad. It just smells like wood. Stayed in my garage, mixing up stuff. Mushroom spawn. So this is like 6 cups of the wood and about 4.5 cups of water. And you just mix it up like this. My arm is starting to get tired. You could always add more water if it's like, but I think I'm good. It's not breaking down all the way. This will probably make 2 bags. Of mushroom spawn. You could also wear gloves while you do this, probably. I like to just grab it and mix it up, kind of. like squeeze it. Okay, I'm gonna probably cut here and just finish mixing this. Alright, so I'd say that's pretty mixed up. There's still a few pieces, but this is for the mushrooms to really bind to and they'll grow on it. Because they like the hardwood. So it'll look like that. You'll still have some pieces like this that are like, they're kind of big, but that's okay, I think. That's about as good as I'm gonna get it. I've been mixing it for like 10 to 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna go put it in the bags and pressure cook it. So yeah. All right, we're back with the baggie, and I'm just gonna open it up like this. Make sure everything's good. Oops. This might be a bit hard with one hand, hold on. All right. Just dumping it in, just like that. I like to go probably one more scoop. I think the Amazon guy's here. All right. So I'll just seal this up like this. And there it is. Now I just go pressure cook it. So I have enough for another bag, but I don't have any more syringes with me. I only have one. So yeah. So yeah, I don't have one of these, but if you did, you could vacuum seal it right here, so nothing gets in there, which is what you're supposed to do, but I don't have one of those. So, I'm actually gonna put a few more scoops in there. This bag is up to like 3 pounds. Pack it down in. So this was about 6 scoops oak spawn and about 4 to 5 cups of water. That's probably good. I'd say. Pack it down in there. And I'm gonna go put it in the pressure cooker. All right, so I have that on pressure cook, high pressure. And then it's heating up right now. So it's in there. All right, so since that's pressure cooking, I'm gonna go clean the bucket out with my new overshoes and boots. Amazon guy just dropped these off, so. Oh no! Oh no! Watch out! With my fire hose. I think I'm just gonna dump the bucket out over here. All right. So I'll probably come back when that thing's done. Yeah, there it is. There's my setup. And I gotta say, these are pretty darn good. Here's the bottoms. So yeah. That's it for this part.